up, you guys? Welcome back to another Lady Savage video. Today I'm going to be sharing my top 3 favorite tricep exercises. So today we're going to start with the close grip bench press. This is going to be different than a chest press. Your hands are going to be a lot closer together, and your arms are going to be a lot more closer to your sides, whereas when you're doing a chest press, they go further out. This puts a lot of tension and a lot of pressure on those triceps. I love this exercise because it allows me to go a lot heavier than the other tricep exercises. Triceps are kind of a tricky one. A lot of the movements you're going to have to go super light, but with this one you can really get underneath of it and push. You're going to be using a little bit of your lats and maybe a little bit of your shoulders, but for the most part you're going to be using a lot of your triceps and really being able to see that strength that you've been building in your triceps. My second favorite is going to be the incline dumbbell kickbacks. Now, a lot of people do normal kickbacks where they're just standing or maybe they're bending over on a bench, but I love this one because your chest goes straight into the bench, which allows you to kind of remove a lot of the movement or the swaying back and forth from this exercise. You're kind of already putting yourself a little bit at a deficit with your arms and really putting a lot more tension on your triceps when you're straightening your arm. My favorite part about this one is the squeeze that you get at the top. Your triceps are going to be burning, but it's such a good burn. And then you get to relax at the bottom and then squeeze up at the top, making sure to hold it for a second or two and then relax back down. My third favorite is going to be the crossbody cable extensions. A lot of people will do like an underhand kind of extension or pull down, but I love the crossbody. I find that I can get a little bit more weight when I do that and a little bit more squeeze in my tricep. Something that you want to make sure that you're not doing is bending over the cable when you're doing this exercise. When you're bent over, you can add a lot more weight, but you're not actually getting a lot of your tricep in it. It's more of your weight, your body weight, pushing down that cable instead of your tricep actually pulling it down. Again, with this one compared to the kickbacks, it's a really nice tight squeeze at the bottom, holding that for a second or two and relaxing it and resting it back out the top. This one I will continually do just one arm all the way down until I have all of my sets or all of my reps done, and then I will switch to the next arm. So that one arm gets a really nice pump and then it gets to relax while you do the other arm. So I really like all 3 of those exercises. If you're kind of looking to get rid of all the extra flab on the back of your arms, those are really great places to start. So that is it for the top 3 tricep exercises for today.